This is the world's first black to blue shifting flake. At least it's supposed to be. This is Nightcrawler Super Flake from my buddy Tommy over at the Spray Source. And this is brand new. So new it's not even on his website yet. So Gabe and I are gonna try it out today. Now, Tommy said to do 10 grams a gallon. You see these bags? You see this thing right here? This pillow? This is 5 grams. So we're going to be putting in all of this, and it's a lot. I'm a little skeptical. Gabe is massively skeptical, but we've used products like this from him before, and he's never steered us wrong. So let me show you the Nightcrawler, and if I may say, I love the name. Super Flake. Hoochie mama. Okay, it is one of those foil style pigments. It's sparkly, it's light, and I'm seeing blues, I'm seeing purples. I mean, is this not an insane amount of pigment we're about to dump in here?
That's a lot because when we originally did ZBB,
Yeah.
which is kind of similar to this,
Yeah.
we only did 5 grams a gallon. You got a mountain there.
It's like Mary Poppins' purse. It just keeps coming out. There's no way. We're gonna be, okay. Here's 10.
But it is a flake, so flakes in general don't cover as fast as pearls. So that might be why 10 grams a gallon.
Here's 15. Now we are cutting this with another gallon, so what you're seeing here, look how slow it's dropping down.
Normally with
awesome.
a flake, it falls like
Dude.
really fast.
And here's 20. We have never in 15 plus years had that much pigment in this jar. I promise you. Let's see if I can even get this blended. Oh my gosh. Now, this is just an immense amount of pigment, but here. See, this is what Gabe was saying. It's a flake though, so you see how sporadic it is? It's not like a pearl. All right, let me show you on the stick of truth. I'm feeling a lot better about it right now. I'm feeling a lot better about it. Okay, well, it's a lot of coverage over black. Holy crap, I don't know what is going on. So see that? It's like, it's a sporadic coverage flake. You're not getting a ton, but the color is there. And I am loving the blues and blacks coming off this thing. I cannot wait to get this full scale. All right, Nightcrawler Super Flake. Predictions?
I have nothing right now.
No, okay. We just want to spray it. It's going down on the old 3 Series over a black base. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go. All right, guys, we are all done with the project. Now, I think that this Nightcrawler pigment accomplishes the black to blue shifting effect better than any other pigment I've seen. I cannot wait to show it to you on the car. But there are 2 things you need to know. Number 1, 10 grams a gallon is way too much. We had to stop after just one coat because we got the effect that we wanted and we didn't want to overdo it. I would strongly suggest dropping it down to 5 grams a gallon. That will allow you to get 2 or 3 coats on the car, get the effect you're looking for, and get a much better sense of control. The second thing, I know this kind of sucks, I think this pigment is much better suited for permanent paint, not so much peelable. You'll see this on the car and on the speed shapes. We got a little bit of an effect or a reaction that we weren't looking for. It happens a lot with these larger style foil kind of pigments where the glossy top coat sinks in a little bit and creates this little crater effect. It's going to be perfect and incredible in permanent paint, not so much on the peelable side. But now you know what to do. Take a good look at the car, leave a comment below and rate it for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you don't, and if you want to play with any of our paints. We've got a ton of colors in both peelable and permanent paints. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a blast in this video and I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next one.